I don't ever do reviews, but man, I just got one of these Earthquake XT things, and I already scuffed it up. But all right, so these.
Yeah.
Hey, darling, how you doing?
What is this thing?
What is that thing?
Yeah.
That's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle telephone. Yeah? It's gonna get loud in here.
Okay.
Love you.
Yeah.
So, these, this is a 46 Chevy, and it's been sitting in the woods for probably longer than I've been alive. But I tried to break them off, and I snapped my extensions, and I busted ratchets and split sockets and everything else. And so my little Campbell Housefield impact wrench was just, I knew it wasn't going to do it. And so I was like, I'm just going to see. So I went up to Harbor Freight and I got the one below this one, which was 1,000 foot-pounds. And then this joker right here, I just didn't think it was going to be that big of a difference. And so here we go. Watch this. Watch this crap. It's coming off. Can't believe it. Yeah. That's just insane. And so there you have it. Earthquake XT, highly recommended. Breaking off 46 Chevy stuff that the smaller one was taking the front lugs off pretty easy, no big deal. I mean, it was to get it off, but it wouldn't touch the smaller stuff or the back stuff. And I was just very impressed.